The Adobe Experience Manager Developer Exam AD0-E134 is a certification exam for AEM developers who have 1 to 3 years of experience working with the AEM platform. The exam covers topics such as configurations, AEM development, build and deployment, and environment maintenance. The exam has 50 questions and a passing score of 26. The exam is delivered online or at a test center and costs $225, global, or $150, India. The AD0-E134 certification is valid for 2 years. The exam is intended for AEM developers who want to demonstrate their expertise and skills in creating and managing AEM sites. 1. An AEM developer needs to migrate to AEM as a cloud service from AEM version 6.4. The AEM developer is not able to run the Best Practice Analyzer. What is preventing the Best Practice Analyzer from running? A. The AEM developer is not an admin or does not have administrator rights. B. Best Practice Analyzer is not supported on AEM version 6.4. C. Best Practice Analyzer should run on Publisher instead of Author instance. 3. An AEM as a cloud service implementation customer wants content to be replicated as soon as the on-time and off-times are reached. What must the developer configure? A. Enable auto-replicate via on-off trigger configuration. B. Enable on-time or off-time via page properties. C. Configure the publish content tree via workflow models. 3. An AEM as a cloud service implementation customer wants content to be replicated as soon as the on-time and off-times are reached. What must the developer configure? A. Enable auto-replicate via on-off trigger configuration. B. Enable on-time or off-time via page properties. C. Configure the publish content tree via workflow models. 4. What is out of scope for the pattern detector tool, while doing an AEM upgrade? A. OSGI bundles exports and imports mismatch. B. Backward compatibility with the previous AEM version. C. Definitions of OAK indices for compatibility. D. Rep. User nodes compatibility, in context of OAuth configuration. 5. What 2 types of testing are available OOB in AEM Cloud Manager pipeline? Select 2. A. Code quality testing. B. Performance testing. C. UL testing. D. Penetration testing. E. Integration testing. 6. A developer has to create a logger and writer pair for the company's application logging. Which OSGI configurations should the developer use? A. Apache Sling Logging Logger configuration and Apache Sling Logging configuration. B. Apache Sling Request Logger and Apache Sling Logging Writer configuration. C. Apache Sling Logging Logger configuration and Apache Sling Logging Writer configuration. 7. If multiple configurations for the same PID are applicable, which configuration is applied? A. The last modified configuration is applied. B. The configuration with the highest number of matching run modes is applied. C. The one that occurs first in the repository is applied. D. A configuration factory is created and all configurations are applied. 8. Which configuration section should be used to resolve the domain name by dispatcher? A. Configuration in VOSTS file. B. Configuration in filters.any. C. Configuration in HTTPD conference. D. Configuration in DNS. 9. An AEM application requires LDAP service integration to synchronize users, groups. Which two OSGI configuration are required for LDAP integration in AEM? Select 2. A. Apache Jackrabbit Oak Authorizable Action Provider. B. Apache Jackrabbit Oak Solar Server Provider. C. Apache Jackrabbit Oak CUG Configuration. D. Apache Jackrabbit Oak External Login Module. E. Apache Jackrabbit Oak Default Sync Handler. 10. An AEM server is overloaded with too many concurrently running workflows. The developer decides to reduce the number of concurrent workflows. What should be configured to reduce the number of concurrent workflows? A. The number of threads in scheduler. B. The number of threads in Apache Felix Jetty HTTP service. C. Launchers for each workflow. D. Maximum parallel jobs in OSGI console.